and good morning. It is January 9, 2026. We have here our first thoracic disc herniation patient with the Deuk Laser Disc Repair, where we went in and repaired those 3 discs in the thoracic spine using a laser and an endoscope, cleaning the annular tear, getting rid of the inflammatory tissue and the source of pain. How do you feel today?
Great. Didn't have any pain last night for the first time in over a year. So very thankful for you and for the team and the procedure.
Now, you came from New Jersey. Why did you travel from New Jersey to Deuk Spine Institute?
I was doing research. The pain started in November 2024 and trying to figure out, what kind of treatments are available for this. And I searched around, discovered that most spine surgeons do not touch the thoracic spine because of the ribs and organs in the way, and it's just hard to access. And I stumbled upon Deuk Spine on YouTube, looked into you more, and it was like, this is the guy that can do it.
And you have suffered with back pain. What kind of things did you try for that back pain?
I did PT. I had mandatory PT before I could even get an MRI for insurance purposes. PT didn't help. After that, I did about 28 sessions, I think, of chiropractic care, which felt nice at times, but didn't solve the issue. And around then is when I discovered Deuk Spine, so I didn't go down the injection path. I saved my time there and just decided I want the cure, not just a Band-Aid.
Now, you did an MRI review with us at Deuk Spine Institute. How was that MRI review for you?
Good. Convenient, obviously done virtually. Didn't have to come down for it, which was nice. But it was great. You looked at the MRI images right there on the screen with me and the results, and had me point to my pain location and said, come on down, we can do it. That's what I wanted to hear. So,
what's life going to be like for you now that we've fixed your thoracic pain?
Better, mainly for a little over a year. It's mainly affected my sleep. That's where I got most of the pain. Every position was uncomfortable, tried all kinds of pillows and laying in different positions. Nothing really worked. When your sleep goes, a lot of other things go too. And so having better sleep it's a lifesaver. It's definitely super, quality of life will improve.
Anything else you want to say to your family, friends, followers?
Thank you for all the prayers. My church family back in Jersey have been praying for me. Thank you for them. Thank you for my folks for helping me out and letting me use their residential hotel while I'm here. And thank you to you and your team, of course.
You're welcome.
Really appreciate you all.
It's our pleasure. Thank you, sir.
Yes, thank you.
You have a great year.
Thank you.